What's up everyone, today we're taking a look at a pair of wireless noise cancelling headphones that go for 80 bucks and seeing just how good they truly are. Is this a feature that only works in more expensive, higher tier headphones or not? Let's find out. These are the E9 headphones by Mixcder, and like I said, they go for 80 bucks, which puts them like the very bottom of medium tier headphones. Getting straight into it, you can turn the noise cancelling on with the switch located on the left ear cup. As well, you can actually have the noise cancelling turned on even while the headphones are turned off, which is nice. Like I said, these have active noise cancelling, so if you didn't know already, this form of noise cancelling works by taking sound waves coming from outside the headphones and then playing the inverse versions of that waveform inside the headphones. The overall noise cancelling on these is okay. There is definitely a noticeable difference between having it turned on and off, but it's not really anything special. Droning and buzzing lower pitch noises will be cancelled out altogether, or at least heavily weakened, and everything in general sounds a little toned down. But for example, if there's people talking right next to you or cars driving by your house, you're still going to be able to perfectly hear all that. Also, don't plan on jogging or running with the noise cancelling on, as it makes a distorted noise every time you experience any violent shaking, but I know this is something that happens with some other ANC headphones as well. So while these headphones definitely do have a noticeable noise cancelling effect, it's nowhere near something like a pair of Bose. As far as audio quality goes, these did end up surprising me a bit. They sound really nice, everything is clear and balanced, although these could definitely benefit from some more bass. I'd say that at this point in time, the sound these things produce is equal to, if not a tiny bit better than what you'd get on the majority of similarly priced competitors. Going around the headphones, on that left cup I was talking about earlier, in addition to the noise cancelling switch, you also have a headphone jack in case these die, or you just don't feel like or can't use the Bluetooth. Then on the right ear cup, you have the volume up and down buttons, a micro USB port for charging, a LED indicator, a microphone pinhole, and the power button. The pads are over ear, a little firm, and pretty comfortable. The ear cups also swivel back and forth a bit to better help them fit to your head. The headband also has some padding, and it does its job well too. You should be able to wear these for about 2 to 3 hours without too much discomfort. The 500 mAh battery inside these takes 2.5 hours to fully charge up, and you're going to get different amounts of usage out of this thing depending on whether you have noise cancelling turned on or off. With it on, you'll get about 24 hours, and with it off, you'll get a noticeably better 30 hours. But either way, you're going to be getting good battery life. These headphones are using Bluetooth 4.0 and have a range of about 33 feet while outdoors and 49 feet while indoors, which are some pretty standard distances. They also come with a much appreciated hardshell travel case, a micro USB cord, an airplane adapter, a male-to-male auxiliary cord, and your usual papers. So I've used a few sub $100 headphones and earphones with noise cancelling capabilities, and in my experience they all seem to have relatively the same level of effectiveness, as in none of them are going to blow you away, but they definitely do have an effect on some of the noises that you're going to hear. Overall, for 80 bucks, the E9 headphones by Mixcder offer somewhat decent noise cancelling, nice audio quality, on headphone controls, average comfort, and good battery life. If you're looking for a sub $100 pair of noise cancelling headphones, then I would probably recommend these to you, but it's worth saying that since the headphones market is so saturated, there really are plenty of other great options out there. Thanks for watching. The link to these headphones is in the description below. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.